Hello everyone, welcome to this video. I just got to my room in Tainan. It's called Syuan Hotel and it's mega, it's huge. I'll show you it now. So this is the room on the bottom floor. 2 big beds. It's a massive room. The reason I've got this room so big is because there's me, my mum and a friend sharing the room. It's like a whole apartment this. 2 big double beds here, look, on the bottom floor. And it's just huge. The ceiling's huge. TV. And then that's the entrance. A little kitchen there. That's the entrance. And then there's an upstairs bit where I'm gonna sleep up there. So that's the room, look at that. I just put it on the zoom out camera so you can see. That is the room. We've got a big window here, look. That's Tainan outside. Need balcony in this one. I've got a window. Alright, so that is the room. Right, going upstairs. Show you the upstairs room. So up here, this is boiling up here like. This is the upstairs room. Sofa there. And that's probably a settee bed. And then 2 single beds. This has got a lower ceiling. What's through here? Does that open? No, it doesn't open. Need cupboards. Need cupboards. So this is just a room. There you go, and that's the upstairs. Right, so I will tell you tomorrow what the bed is like, the bath is like and everything. So I'll see you tomorrow. That's the room. First impressions is it's mint. Boiling hot on the top floor. Alright, on the bottom floor. So I'll let you know what a night's sleep is like here. Right, it's the morning. After we came to the hotel, we only stayed here for 1 night. I'm going to give you one last quick look at it. 2 double beds. This room can fit 6 people. And it was fantastic. So I'll give you one last quick look around. This is the main room. A big room with 2 double beds, TV, table, big window. The big window has some curtains to block people looking at you from the other side. But because there's a big window, when that's open, there's loads of light in here. It's fantastic. The roof is really high. Over here, little kitchen area, which got put to use by my mum and her friend, making coffees and that. View out the window. There's nothing to write home about really. Main road. Standing at the other side of the room. This is how it looks. This is called Syuan Hotel. And if I pan up, you can see the 2nd floor where I slept. Up there, look. I'll go up there and quickly show you it now, then I'm going to be done. You have to be careful on stairs like these. Good job I'm not really drinking anymore, or those would be a hazard. And then up here is the 2nd floor room, which has got 2 single beds. Both rooms have their own aircon. Every time I've walked up and down those stairs, I've banged my head on this. Even this sign says watch your head. This room is super hot, but the aircon is great. Aircon and table and a little sofa bed. And that is it. I'll show you a bit of the outside when I go downstairs. I'm standing on the corridor where our room is. This is our room here, 301. And got a little lift here in the corner, look, but the lift's so slow. It's designed like an old-fashioned lift. I'll show you the inside when we go down. So this is the lift. It's super slow, kind of old-fashioned design. You can see the inside of the lift, look. So out here you get free gifts and that, free snacks and that. These ones are all free. These ones you've got to pay for them. And this is the lounge area. The hotel also gives you free parking, which is really worth it for Tainan, because the parking in Tainan is extortionate in a lot of places overnight. So they've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spaces. If you book a hotel in Tainan, I would highly recommend you book one with parking. Finding overnight parking that's cheap is absolutely solid in Tainan. So get one with parking because it's value for money, trust us. So this is the front of the hotel. That's it there, Syuan Hotel. Right, so thanks for watching this video. That's the end of this video and I will see you in the next one. See you later, goodbye.